Hello my lovelies, I'm doing a what's in my bag video today, so thank you so much for joining me. It's going to be a bag I don't see much about on YouTube. Maybe I just haven't gone looking yet, but it is the Louis Vuitton Mini Blanche, or I guess it's the Louis Vuitton Blanche BB. Yeah, that's what it's called, in empreinte leather. I think this bag is severely underrated. Anyway, if you'd like to see more of my thoughts on this bag, then please watch on. So I was carrying one bag today, and I did what's in my bag video for that one, and tomorrow I have to do something where I need to be hands-free and carrying something that is a little less involved, because the other bag was a handheld. So I wanted to show you guys what fits in a much smaller, much more compact bag that I recently picked up, and this is the Louis Vuitton Blanche BB in empreinte leather. So hi, welcome back to my channel, guys. My name is Neo. This is my corner of the YouTube world where I like to post a little bit of everything. Sometimes we do makeup, sometimes we do handbags, once in a while we might do a pair of shoes, and we do it all out of a sense of just love, and yeah, luxurious mindset. Why not? I like to shop. Might have a little bit of a shopping addiction. I like to share it with you guys, and I love the positive energy I get. So hey, that's what we do. If you're new, hey, thank you so much for checking out. Thank you for clicking on the thumbnail. That was fantastic. Good for you. And if you've been here before, welcome. Thank you so much for coming back. You guys are the real MVP. Either if you're new or you've been here before. If you haven't hit the subscribe button, do that now, please. Thank you. Appreciate that. Always also hit the notification bell so you can know every time I upload a new video. Yeah, so you don't miss out on the conversation. I know, it's just that easy. And today's conversation is about the Blanche. Today's conversation is about the Blanche BB. I'm just calling it the Mini Blanche because it's tiny. It's tiny. It's perfect. It is a crossbody bag, and I know I'm always on this channel like, I don't like crossbody bags. And let me see, probably every bag I've bought this year has been a crossbody bag. Yep. Although I have sold a crossbody bag too, so there you go. But one thing all of the crossbody bags I've bought that all have in common is the option of a handheld strap, because I am a handheld strap girl. Although I will say with this one, this is, hold on. I will say with this one that this is like one of the tiniest little drops on a handheld. It's definitely not one where I can put my whole wrist in. Maybe the leather will soften and I'll eventually be able to do that, but for the most part I do carry it just like that. I use the strap, not a big fan of it, and I've got to figure out, it's a little long and I don't like this, but we will figure that out. Yes, mono boob, here we come. The whole cutting off your boobs in half thing, I can't stand that. I really can't stand that. Someone figure that out. But anyway, less rambling, more bags. Here we go. So I did pick this up, and I'll tell you, one of the things that convinced me to get this bag, I wanted an empreinte leather bag because I've always wanted an empreinte leather bag. For me, they are a little pricey. You know, like, I will buy bags, don't get me wrong, I will buy bags. But I have a number in my head that going over that number requires a lot of internal discussion. A lot. And for me, the empreinte bags really, the leather in the empreinte bags hits that barrier. You know, some bags never hit that barrier. Is the red. I love that. I'm a sucker for a blue bag. I'm a sucker for a navy blue bag. In fact, I think I should do a video that is my blue bags, because yeah, I have a lot of blue bags. It's my thing. Blue is like black to me. Literally, blue is my black. Anyway, I've completely lost my train of thought. Oh, I was saying the size of this. I was trying to say that the size of this is what made me think this would be a good first empreinte leather bag, because since it's smaller, the price point was a bit more manageable, and also since it's smaller, it's a kind of crossbody that, even though I don't like crossbody bags, it's the kind of crossbody bag that I will actually use. And oh, sorry, I can't help myself, I talk so much. So let's get to the contents of this purse and stop with the rambling. It snaps under here, up here. It's a very small bag. Only has 2 compartments and no back pocket, which is fine. I try not to use back pockets because I find if you put something back there, you start to stretch it, and then since this is leather, I know it will definitely get stretched. So no back pocket for me. What I do like about the front pocket, as slim as it is, it has a little bit of give up here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it is stitched in and has a little bit of give back here. So it's very easy to get my cell phone in and out right there. So that is fine by me. Otherwise, the rest of the contents of the bag are minimal. I have a mascara, and my makeup is actually loose and free in here because I did not have a makeup bag small enough to put in here. Thank you, I'll be right out. I can put I heard, I'll be right out. I can put a mini pochette in here, and I'll actually grab one after I eat my dinner, since food is here. And I'll grab one and show you guys how it fits in here comfortably. But I could not put a full-size makeup bag like this one in here. That does not work at all. I have my keychain, and I've been using my Damier graphite key holder. I have a makeup compact, my Chanel. I have my Louis Vuitton zippy wallet in the Damier as well, and then I have a concealer because your girl can't leave the house without concealer, and a lipstick. That is it. One of the things this does have, I don't know if you can see it, but it has 2 flat pockets in here as well. So it's only one big chamber, one front chamber. This does not open at all. I thought it did, but it doesn't. And then it has the 2 flat pockets, which is where I put the makeup. It's fabric on the inside, which I don't know if I'm loving that. Yeah, I don't know if I'm loving that, but it makes the pockets bendy, flexible. And yeah, so I do want to be able to maintain its shape. I want to keep it looking pristine for as long as possible because this bag is just beautiful. Okay, we are back. We had our dinner. Thanks to my husband for picking it up. Yes, so I did go and get my a mini pochette, and it fit absolutely perfectly. So I am glad I had that thought. Let me just open that. Push underneath. Push underneath. Oh, really? How? Oh Lord, what did I do? Ah! Let's get it worried. Look at that. So you can see my mini pochette, you can see my card holder, and in here that is my wallet that I already showed you guys. So it's perfect. So phone is where I said it was going to be, and then I have my Louis Vuitton La Tahitienne mini pochette that I've slipped in here instead of having my makeup loose and about. And then I think I'd already shown you guys that. So perfect, love it. Just really glad I got this bag. Fantastic. That's my bag. I will do a comparison video of this against the Cassie 19 if you want to check that out as well. And thanks so much for watching. Remember guys, choose happiness. It's a choice. It's a choice you get to make every day. You get to choose how you feel. Own it. Make the right choice for you. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed. This is AhhhSoNeo.